Welcome everyone to another episode of SG Crypto. Hope you're all having an awesome day. This is just going to be a pretty quick video update on what we went over on Tuesday. It's going to be an update on the Osmosis liquidity pool that I entered as kind of a introduction to this / tutorial on how to use this platform. So before we get into it, I just want to shout out the Discord. Gaining some people. We got up to 54. This is really just a place for you to have a bit more of an intimate relationship with me and the community. If you have questions, comments, concerns, or if you want to stay up to date on new videos, toss some content ideas my way on things you'd like me to cover, this is really the place to do that. And so it's a great place. It's been growing steady, up to 54 people now, so check it out. Link is in the description. So yeah, I staked into this pool, UST Osmo, which, by the way, when you're in a pool, it'll show up right at the top. Makes it super simple. I always loved Osmosis. I used it a few months ago, like 4 months ago, and I loved it. I mean, it's just very self-explanatory, very easy to use. So basically, yesterday I earned, looks like I'm earning about 0.06 Osmo per day through strictly just in my wallet. But then I'm also earning 0.2 through the SuperFluid staking. I'm earning 0.2 per day on that. So 0.2 per day there and 0.06 here. So earning about 0.26 per day, which comes out to, if you do the math, Osmo is at 8 right now. So we'll say I'm basically earning quarter of an Osmo, which comes out to about $2. So earning $2 a day through this with just a simple $188. I'd say that's pretty awesome. And that, I think that's just the power of the superfluid staking. Plus, we're not even mentioning how this is going to compound. So as you see, it restaked it here. I didn't have to do anything. So yesterday I was at like 5.6, and now it's at just about 5.8. So that's 0.2 Osmo, right? And then also down here, I got that 0.06. Okay, so what I can do with that 0.06, so this gets restaked automatically. So that's going to keep compounding, right? I'm going to keep earning more and more every single day. So it's going to turn from 2 to 3 to 4. It's going to grow very fastly because of that compound. It's restaking it back in, so I'm earning that much more. So then this over here, my rewards from yesterday, I did the same thing here. But I take this 0.08, or I'm going to take 0.06 because I need money for transaction fees. I'm going to go to my Kepler wallet up here. You should have it pinned. Okay, you're probably not going to be able to see the Kepler wallet. For some reason it's doing that. I noticed in the video on Tuesday. Yeah, so I noticed the wallet did not pop up, the Kepler wallet extension. When I click it, it does. You guys can't see what my cursor is scrolling on right now, but it is the Kepler wallet. It pops down. Okay, so basically, I go to the Osmosis tab in this wallet. If you guys are following along, you know what I'm talking about. You should be following along to learn. But you will have a button down here that says stake. And it'll bring you to this page, which is the validator page. It's for security of the network, and you can delegate to these validators to earn even more money, right? To earn interest on your interest. And so as you can see over time, you're going to start earning interest on your interest on your interest, and it's going to compound. That's what I mean. Okay, a little slow. Give it a moment. Okay, so yesterday I staked 0.08, right? And I'm staking to Cosmos Station. You don't have to stake to this one. I'm just doing it myself. Okay, you'll click Manage, and then this will pop up. You'll click Delegate, and you will click, I'm going to do 0.06. You have to do 0.06 or it won't work. Make sure you do the 0.0 whatever or 0. Whatever. Okay, you have to put the 0 in front, or if you're doing a full Osmo, good for you. Just put a full Osmo in there. But you have to do, I don't know what that would be, 3 decimals. Anyway, I think you get it. Okay, then you'll click Delegate, and then on the left side here is I can see it right now as the Kepler extension. It's just asking me to verify or approve the transaction. I'm going to approve it. It's pending. Boom, it's approved. So now we have 0.02546 earning here. Okay, I actually did not claim my reward, but okay, so you're gonna have daily rewards on this as well, on this side of things too. So you're gonna be claiming here, right? So actually first let's start at the pool. So you're going to be earning from this pool, me personally, I'm going to be earning 0.06 just here to stake. I'm going to be earning 0.06 here in my wallet per day. I'm going to bring that over to this and I'm going to stake it here. And from here, I can then claim rewards daily as well. So I'm earning daily rewards from here and from here, from this pool, which I'm then going to be restaking in this. And so that is what I mean by compounding. You're just going to keep restaking. And that's not even mentioning the SuperFluid delegation, which I'm earning interest on interest every day as well, because it's redelegating itself. I don't even have to mess with it. And so this, I could see this. I like the SuperFluid thing. It was not around when I would use this platform. So lots of potential here, and I'm going to update you guys accordingly. But that's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video. So with that, have an awesome day. If you have questions, comments, concerns, join the Discord. Hit me up in the comments. This is just a better way to get a hold of me, and we will talk soon. Have an awesome day.